Every year, teachers try to teach an exciting and engaging sixth form PSHE curriculum that will keep their students hooked. That desire often fizzles out by November due to the ever-increasing workload. That's where your journey of life can help. A fully resourced, video-based sixth form PSHE curriculum. That's right, video-based. The planning and the teaching is kinda done for you. Hit play and watch your students as they think about all the episodes of their life that are to come. Each video is taught by the on-screen teacher, and every session has a worksheet for students to complete. Students begin by researching jobs and their starting salaries. Then, week by week, learn about things like credit cards and finance, driving safety, the law on sexual consent, and even house rentals or mortgages. The starting salary of a student's chosen job will affect their journey of life. Can they afford to rent or buy property? Afford the latest smartphone? Will they need a credit card? You can see where we got the name. So why not give your students a PSHE experience that sets them up for their future? For more information, head to yourjourneyoflife.co.uk.